So I hope you're all doing well. In this video we're going to reverse the video clip. So I'm going to show you the video clip running now. So he's running towards the right hand corner. And there you go. This feature can be quite good in crowd situations. So I highlight the clip and then you've got the reverse. So in this video clip you saw it and it was a lot quicker, but the reason why when you go to reverse your video clip, I've speeded up the clip on the clip that I'm showing you. So here we go. We're going to play the clip now. There's nothing more to doing this sort of thing. It's quite an easy thing to do, to reverse video clips. As I said, it's quite good in crowd situations. I've got a beginner's KineMaster video at the end of this clip, so please like and subscribe to see more videos. Thanks for watching.